These are the twins trying to do a fall as good as me. Probably won't happen. But here we go. Alright, ready, go. Just go.
Oh, my hat came off.
That's okay, just fall.
Go.
That's so cool. Okay, Madeline, get that, go. Madeline.
Do more snow, it went all the way.
Well, go higher up. That was so good.
Ow.
Put more snow. It doesn't hurt.
Yeah, that hurt.
You knocked the wind out. That was really, really good.
Put a ton more snow. Where's the shovel? Over there.
Over there.
Sorry.
That was really good.
I think that'd be yours.
No, I don't know.
We're gonna have to watch it.
Yeah.
It was cool from up here.
It was cool on here.
It was not cool in my position.
Come on, Madeline.
I see you.
Madeline, come on.
No, I don't want to die.
You're not gonna die.
I did not have none of the stuff.
Bicycles. Die.
Yeah, put that in the middle.
Okay. Madeline, go up higher.
I don't know if I can.
Well, Christina and I both got up higher. You can too.
Well, I'm better than you guys. Yeah, but I did break the stick off.
Oh, did you? Okay, Madeline, just fall.
Alright. Do what I did.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Okay.
Okay, 1,
Alright, wait.
2.
Wait, I gotta get ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3.
Just let go.
Just let go right now.
I couldn't do that.
Okay, you're so stupid.
I can't do that.